I've known Manjunath for many years, even before I started ILH. And I'm super proud to see the way that he's actually grown after coming into our community, and he's really built on these skills of marketing, performance marketing, lead generation, building funnels, and so on.
He's one of the best marketing minds I've seen in the industry ever. The reason is the way he plans a funnel right from beginning to taking it to the growth stage and the scale stage is phenomenal. And his emotional connect, the way he positions right from the messaging to the webinars to follow-ups to converting them and making the entire funnel profitable is what makes a true genius marketer.
I got introduced to Manjunath through a common friend, and that has been the best introduction of the year for me because he has been extremely kind and helpful in helping me set up my coaching business and a different, very interesting vertical for a doctor to follow. Not only has he been helping me with my Facebook ads, but he also helped me set up my landing page.
Manjunath is not just highly skilled, but also carries a great persona. He looks at the entire funnel as a whole and supports in every area, never limiting himself by saying, this is my work and this isn't.
So when I started this funnel of Digital Mahila, which is now a 10,000 women community, when I first started this journey, I faced so many hurdles. My program is so good, but I was unable to reach larger audience. Then I joined with the Manjunath ji and took help of his community and team TFS. That day, I still remember, I started the whole automation process on January 31st, and within 55 days, I could make 1 crore rupees of revenue.
TFS services. At Tag Mango, we use Manjunath's services to run our Facebook and Google ads and also build our funnels all together. And we had an absolutely incredible time working along with him.
When we wanted to bring it to online space, we always stuck. Almost two to 3 years just went like that. We spent so much of money on certain apps, certain software, and we hired some people. But most of them are completely in a vain. Always praying for the God. Someone has to come and help me. But one day, someone has definitely helped. One day, someone definitely came into our life. That is Manjunath Ellen from Target Hub. From then on, I think we were able to scale up this complete Vidya to throughout India and also outside India.
When he onboards a coach, he takes it up as his own business. Always goes that extra mile, does whatever is required to help any coach succeed. Manjunath ji and Target Hub indeed put their heart and soul into setting up the funnel, landing page, ads, automation, and the entire flow so seamlessly that the coach can ultimately focus on the main task at their hand, that is coaching.
Hi, it's me Vishal Saini, founder of Go Nature. I just want to share my testimonial and heartfelt thank you to my friend Manjunath, and he's like awesome. He's been running my Facebook ads, he's taking care of my affiliate system, and there's some amazing thing in his work that's sorted, clean, and the entire team is on toes, and I think it has saved a lot of my time, since I've been associated with them.
We have been working with them from the last 3-4 months, and the experience has been great. First, Manjunath and his entire team help us to understand how exactly funnel building works and what is the right approach that anyone who is entering this business of education or coaching, they should have for performance marketing and funnel generation. So they helped us brief entirely about the funnel building part. They helped us build funnel for our podcasting page.
And I'm extremely happy with the promptness, with the way he is running my ads. The entire hand-holding process that he has given to me is phenomenal. It has truly helped my business grow. My CPL is extremely low. It's doing very well. Overall, the conversions are also very good.
I'm really thankful from bottom of my heart to Manjunath Ellen. Thank you, Manjunath sir, for this wonderful opportunity and wonderful experience.
If you're a coach who's looking for any help with marketing, or you're stuck, confused with how do you take your program live, your coaching program live into the market, then just jump in, take Manjunath ji's help, and he will help you succeed.
I highly recommend Manjunath's service for your performance marketing initiatives.
So if anyone who's thinking of taking Manjunath's services, especially in this particular domain, if you're a creator, if you're a coach, if you're an entrepreneur, if you have any kind of other businesses as well, especially on the performance marketing and funnel side, then you're in the right place, my friend.
We would definitely recommend y'all, if you want to build your own funnels and work in performance marketing, they are the right people to work with. Thank you.
I would highly recommend to step in and move ahead with Manjunath, because this will be one of the best decisions you'll take and you'll love the experience of working with them.
Recommend Target Hub for everything that they do and the entirely beautiful system and team that Manjunath has built. Absolute kudos to it, and I cannot recommend it enough. Thank you so much to Manjunath and the Target Hub team.
And if you're somebody who's a coach and you really want to scale up your game, get in touch with their team, get on a conversation with Manjunath or any of his team members, and they will help you step by step to accelerate your lead generation, conversions, and growth. Manjunath and team, wishing you guys all the best.